So today we are doing an aluminum modular wheelchair ramp, but because one end is going to the porch and the other end is going to an elevated port next to the garage, it's actually going to be more like a bridge than a ramp. So watch as we go and put it together, and you'll see we'll increase the accessibility of this house by a good bit. So here we have the completed ramp bridge, if you will, that runs from the garage to the house with the handrails on and level entry from here at the garage all the way through to the house. So it's a bridge, if you will, and we've got the threshold ramp there at the door. So we can have complete wheelchair access from the driveway into the house.